So, ganito lang po siya i-set up. Una is click natin yung extension, app script. Then wait lang natin mag-load. Then click natin yung deploy, new deployment. And then make sure naka-click yung web app. Then set natin to anyone. So, click deploy. Then wait lang natin mag-load. Authorize. Then click natin yung email address natin na lalabas. So, click advance. Click go to untitled sheet and save. Then scroll down, click allow. So, ito na po yung ating link, no? Ito na yung link ng ating website. So, ito yung kakopy natin and gagawin natin QR code, no? So, click natin yung website, check natin. Then, isa-send ko po sa inyo yung instruction kung paano naman mag-create ng QR code. Yun lang po, salamat!